Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 4 trades. Today's date is February the 19th. I took yesterday off as I was getting a new computer along with 3 24-inch monitors and a new video card that can run all 3 monitors. Everything is looking great. And I'm off to another great day of trading here. These trades were very clear when I took them using the new fractal triggers. Remember, blue we're buying and red we're selling, as it's suggesting from a higher time frame, the 60-minute time frame. As you can see right here, it's a multi-time frame. I put it on to 60 minutes. And of course, my AO here is based on also a higher time frame. At the moment, this one is set on 30 minutes. Now, before moving on, I would like to ask you that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this video. It encourages me to keep doing these videos. I also want to announce the fact that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. Now, it took me 8 years and 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 to 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. I have made trading the market simple and easy to do for all 3 sessions, including many ways to trade the markets. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time and a lot of education. I provide the education. So, moving right along, let's see where I got in on this first trade, which is the pound yen. We're just going to drag and drop this up. I took these trades all about 8:30 this morning, New York time. Now, when I saw the trade around this time, right here on this blue candle, it officially became a great way to trade. Following the rules that I teach within the training videos, I took the trade. Now, it did go against me slightly, only 10 pips, and I closed it out when I saw that, especially when I saw these fractals in here. I knew that I would have one more chance to get out of the trade, which is exactly what I did. Close it out with a profit, and that profit is 15 pips, and 15 pips on the pound yen gave me $1,420. Moving on to the next pair, which is the Euro Aussie. Let's check it out. This one here is a much better looking example of a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in at. I was late coming to the computer, and by the time I actually saw it, I decided to take the trade as I knew that I'll get some pips. I didn't know exactly how many, but it is what it is. I took the trade. I managed to get 18. Looks like 18 pips here, and 18 pips on the Euro Aussie. Paid $1,495. When I see trades like this, I know with about a 90% success rate that I am going to get some pips. Doesn't mean I'm going to get 100 or 200 pips, but I try to do 3 or more trades on a daily basis when I'm trading, sometimes up to 10 trades. Just depends on how the charts look and if I'm being presented with trading opportunities. And as you can see, if you look back far enough, the fractals are way back here, suggesting price movement is going down. Would have been great to get in over here, but this is like around 1 o'clock in the morning and I am sleeping. Keep in mind that this blue box is New York, London is right in here, this is midnight, and this is the Asian time frame. Moving right along, let's go and check out the pound CAD. Let's see where I got in at. Here's another good looking example of a great way to trade. Should have just waited for a bit more of a pullback, but in real time when it was hooking around and coming down, it could have just as easily kept moving its way down here. But I knew the most it would go is back to the goal line, and especially by the time I saw the fractals kicking in, I knew I was going to get an opportunity to grab some pips. It did go against me. Let's see how much. 15 pips. And I closed it out as it was hitting this area of support. Looks like I got 20 pips, and 20 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,587. Okay, moving on to the Euro New Zealand, the last pair that I traded. We'll just drag and drop this up and see. Again, I was late getting in front of the computer. I just wanted to grab some pips. Everything was screaming down at the bottom, good to go. Took the trade. Did go against me. Let's see, about 12 pips. And I closed it out, looks like with 23 pips. And 23 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $1,681. Another good looking example of a great way to trade. Today was a pretty good day of trading. Now I call a good day of trading if I can get 50 pips. And recently, if you've been watching my videos, I've been working with quite successfully with getting 100 or more pips each trading day. Today I fell a little bit short of that as I was a little bit distracted with the computer and the monitors, but nonetheless got back to trading on this Friday, and I still ended up producing 76 pips, and 76 pips paid out $6,183. All in all, a pretty good day of trading. So if your system is not producing like my fractal trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it. All you got to do, if you wish to do that, is get in contact with me. Right below this video, you will see my contact information. It's the fractal trigger system that I do charge $250 for. Now I do teach how to trade the flow of the markets. My trigger system comes with 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. It comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and this is what you're going to need if you want to find success at trading the markets. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. The only one I'm going to talk about just a bit, as this is the way I look for trade setups every day. I call it a great way to trade. You're looking at a very good example of it. Obviously, getting in around 6 o'clock or prior to that would have been a better choice, but you can only trade as you see. And I only got it in front of the computers around this time. As I said, I was running a little bit late. Now you can put this video on pause and look at all the different other ways that I teach on how to trade the markets. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, all you got to do is send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Just have to click on this link right here, and we will have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session. Probably lasts about 45 minutes. Now that depends on how many questions you have for me. Now over the years I've been producing trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you will see 30 screenshots. Now, as I mentioned earlier about this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.